Haiti, rising high over the Caribbean tides, yet the world turns its face as your spirit subsides. From the heartland you cherish to the edge of your shore, though the sun shines so brightly, you shine less and more. Haiti, can't you see your light starting to sway to the forgotten depths where your ancestors lay but didn't stay? The path you tread on could lead you astray, yet your forebears hope you won't fade away in dismay. Haiti, can't you see you're slowly losing your way? Culture and values are slipping away, economic strength and roads in decay, schools and young minds leading astray, societal bonds and peace fray, leadership's lost, freedom's price to pay. Wasn't it for this Dessalines and Boukman paved the way, battled to their last, gifting you the day where you stood as a beacon, lighting the way for those seeking freedom, come what may. Haiti, give you strength, star legacy slipping away. Dessalines and Boukman, they plea and they pray, hoping you won't stay in the shadows but find